Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Here's what's actually wild. The Supreme Court is poised to reshape American politics in a way that could significantly diminish the political power of communities of color. On October 15th, the justices will hear arguments about whether race can be considered when drawing political maps, a practice that has been essential for ensuring minority communities have representatives who truly reflect their interests. This is a direct challenge to the 1965 Voting Rights Act, which has safeguarded these rights for over 6 decades. What if I told you that while the court is ready to limit race considerations in redistricting, it has just allowed ICE to use race as a criterion for detaining immigrants? This contradiction is honestly crazy, but reflective of a broader pattern where race can be weaponized against minorities, while simultaneously being stripped from tools designed to empower them. Ever notice how the court's GOP appointees, like Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Clarence Thomas, promote a so-called colorblind constitution? They argue that any consideration of race in governmental policy is discriminatory. Yet, when it comes to immigration enforcement, their silence is deafening. They've allowed racial profiling to resume, permitting ICE to target individuals based on their appearance or accent. This hypocrisy is glaring. It suggests a troubling narrative. Race can be a tool for oppression, but not for justice. The implications are staggering. If the court decides to eliminate the use of race in redistricting, it could lead to a political landscape dominated by white representatives, effectively silencing the voices of diverse communities. This is not just a legal issue, it's a moral one. It's about who gets to participate in democracy and who gets left out. The absurdity of this situation is that the very same justices who argue against race-based policies in education and politics are enabling a system that discriminates against people of color in immigration. The message is clear. The court is willing to uphold a racial hierarchy that benefits white Republicans while dismantling protections for minority groups. As we face these challenges, it's crucial to recognize the historical context. The Voting Rights Act was a hard-fought victory against systemic racism, and now it's under siege. We must unite and advocate for an inclusive democracy where every voice matters. Together, we can challenge these unjust patterns and push for a future that truly reflects the diversity of our nation. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would help out a lot. Peace.